Hi there, this is Paul from the VideoRobot team. Now, what is VideoRobot? Well, VideoRobot is the most powerful multi-purpose video creation software that is really light years ahead of everything else out there. And it's truly the last video creation software you will ever need. In this video, I'll talk about 3 important things and demo the entire VideoRobot app. And I also have my trusty countdown timer here where I'll be showing you in this video how you can get up and running within 60 seconds setting up your first video campaign using the VideoRobot app. So let's get started. You can create the exact same type of videos that command top dollar online. I'm talking about kinetic motion animation videos, whiteboard videos, live action logo reveals with replaceable and customizable video as well as image background, something that's never been done before. And on top of that, 3D avatar explainer videos and a combination of videos using the blank canvas feature. We've created a video creation technology that is suitable for all types of businesses. So whether you're an affiliate marketer or a product creator and an author, social media marketer, or an e-commerce store owner, you can use the videos that you create with VideoRobot to generate more leads and yes, more sales for your business. VideoRobot also comes with commercial rights license. This means you can start selling the videos that you create with the VideoRobot app for upwards of $500 or more each to clients around the world as a video agency or an offline consultant, where you can sell the videos that you create with VideoRobot to online as well as offline businesses as well. Let me show you how you can start getting really big ticket offline clients really quickly. As you can see on my screen right now, I'm on Upwork.com, one of the top freelancer websites. Now, there's been a project that's been posted here about creating a 3D animation sales video. And as you can see here, this is a quick promo video that is only 30 seconds long. And this particular video, as you can see here, has an average bid from anywhere between $750, meaning a minimum of $750 to all the way up to $2,500 with over 50 people, right? Close to 50 people bidding on this project. Now, this particular video, if I click on this link, you'll be taken over to this page. Now, this video, I'll just quickly play it here.
Are you looking to buy or sell a vehicle anytime soon? If so, you've come to the right place.
I'll show you exactly how this exact video that others, as you can see here, are charging anywhere between $800 all the way up to $2,200 can be created in just 59 seconds. Let me show you another example. This is freelancer.com. Again, the same videos, which is whiteboard animation videos and also kinetic motion animation videos, are commanding top dollar online. Here's an example of the exact same videos that are being charged. As you can see, anywhere between $750 all the way up to $800 and $1,000 as well. So I have my trusty countdown timer open. I'll show you right now how you can create those exact videos that are commanding anywhere between $750 all the way up to $1,200 in just 59 seconds. And I will even show you the secret strategy that we use to outsell every other video agency or video creation expert online or even offline using the VideoRobot app. Creating videos is 6 simple steps and takes 59 seconds of your time. You can create 3D avatar videos. We have 100 templates included like so, as you can see here, wide range of them. You can create, as you can see here, 100 kinetic animation templates. All come with male and female voiceovers, completely built by and crafted by professional copywriters and designers, and on top of that 100 templates in whiteboard animation videos, again with male and female voiceovers for each template. Or you can use the revolutionary blank canvas feature to create a combination of all these 3 effects and elements. These could include a video which includes both whiteboard animation, live action, or kinetic animation, or even a 3D avatar video all together in one video. Let me fire up the countdown timer now, and I'll show you how you can create a professional video in just 59 seconds. Now, you have different options: 3D avatar videos, kinetic animation videos, whiteboard videos, or a combination using the blank canvas right here. So I will just begin with the 3D avatar video as an example, and we'll go to the very next step. In the second step, you can pre-select our ready-made professional voiceover by a professional voiceover artist, or you can use from different voices in different languages using our award-winning text-to-speech technology, or you can even auto-translate any text into any language. You can also record your own audio from within the app, and on top of that, you can also use the media library option to upload any video of your own from any source. So I'm just going to put a default right here, the ready-made voiceover, and I'm going to also disable the music. So you can also have background music fully done for you, meaning it'll automatically sync with the length of the video that you're creating. So let's start the countdown timer right now. While that is running, the very next step allows us to also import any logo of ours, position it, any background images or videos that you want to change. You can upload any video. You can also change some contact information or any additional changes. But the very next step gives you full preview and customization. So let me show you exactly how that process works step by step. So here we have full flexibility. For example, I could choose the content right here at the specific 3D avatar character, and then I can just click the resize and move option, and I can move him wherever I want him, right? And it will automatically preview. And on top of that, you also have an array of text effects where you can add a text at any time in the video, whatever you choose. You can even add an intro animation, right, using an array of intro animations that we have available here. And you also can add an outro animation right after this video is finished so that they can take a call to action to your audiences. You can add lower third elements. All these previews here are pretty cool, as you can see. You can even add text animations. These are animations where you can add whiteboard animation text for pen writing or any of these cool effects that you see here. On top of that, you can also add additional text effects. Now, these are the kinetic motion animation effects that you can add to any template that you choose to. Again, select them, preview them, and boom, you're done. And on top of that, you can also add whiteboard elements to a template. Yes, you can do that. Gives you flexibility. You can even add things to the length a bit as well, meaning you can add additional content if you choose to. And to your right, you have specific content elements. So for example, we have the text here. Let's say you want to edit that or even want to move it. We can do that by moving this text right here using the move icon. Or let's just say we want to edit this text. We can edit it right on the fly. We can change the text and we can even preview it right on the fly before we even create the video. Everything is fully customizable. Now, if you want to remove the avatar, you can do so using the blank canvas feature, which is phenomenal in terms of giving you that flexibility. Now, I'm just going to keep continuing forward with the countdown timer. All I need to do is click the create a movie option and I'm done. I just have to choose a name. I just put car dealership and click submit, and boom, my video is ready to be created. The countdown timer has turned to 0, but we've also finished our video creation completely. As you can see, even with explanations, it just took me 59 seconds to create this powerful video. You can even use a secret strategy to get an unfair advantage over your entire competition, whether they're video agencies or even video producers and experts. The way you do it is by offering multiple options to your customers for the price of one, meaning you can offer a client 3D animation avatar videos in male and female form for a particular niche, kinetic animation video, again, male and female voices, and on top of that, as a bonus, even whiteboard videos for the exact niche all come together for the same price that others are charging $800 or more for just one video. This makes it an irresistible deal in the eyes of your client and thereby getting you a steady flow of recurring revenue from big ticket clients for a long time to come. Now that you know the true power of VideoRobot, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.